Hey, what's up everybody? Greg Randolph here from DECKED. I'm the marketing guy. I run the smoke and mirrors department, but this is a DECKED 101 video, so you're just gonna get the straight dope on our product. Behind me here is the Midsize drawer system, and this is the everything you need to know about the DECKED Midsize drawer system video. So thanks for tuning in. To begin with, we've sold about 200,000 of these. In the last decade we've been in business. We get great ratings, about 4.87 out of 5 stars, so people seem to love it. But if you're familiar with the drawer system from the past, you'll notice there's something new here. Basically, the product is one giant drawer that goes from almost the tailgate all the way to your cab and from one wheel well to the other. This big ass drawer lets you put all your tools and gear in it, organize it, close the drawer, and it's secure, it's out of sight, it's out of mind, and you know where your stuff is. And a lot of that stuff that's in the cab of your truck that really doesn't need to be there, I'm talking about tow straps, jumper cables, WD-40, duct tape, bug spray, that kind of thing, now is a place to live outside the cab, so your cab is cleaner. The drawer itself has a 400-pound payload rating. It slides underneath a 1,000-pound payload rated deck, and the entire product itself weighs about 200 pounds, depending on the length of your truck. We've designed this to be secure, so when your tailgate is closed and locked like this, you can't actually get the drawer open or into the drawer. And if you have a tailgate lock and you lock your tailgate, that's an added layer of security. But we also sell drawer locks, so you can put a lock core in your drawer, lock it, and you have 2 layers of security. Not to mention it's out of sight, out of mind. You won't see it when you're walking around a parking lot or people are peering in the window of your cap or something like that. Nobody knows what's in the back of your truck. The drawer system is also very weatherproof. It's gonna keep anything falling from the sky, rain, snow, even driving through a car wash from getting into your drawers, keeping all your gear nice and cozy and secure and dry. It's not Tupperware, so things that are airborne like dust and small snow particulate in the wintertime, especially living like North Dakota, they do have a chance of getting in there, but we just say as a rule of thumb, don't put your laptop computer in your drawer unprotected, but anything else you might put in there, your gear, your tools, whatever might be in the cab of your truck, you need to get out, it's gonna be just fine. You don't need to worry about it. At DECKED, we believe in engineering, so I'm gonna show you a little bit about how this product is engineered. All right, so what you're looking at here is the underside of the big panel that goes down the middle of your truck bed, covering that big ass drawer. And this is just a kind of a little bit of a view of the engineering that goes into the products we make. All of this has been done to allow us to have a 1,000-pound payloaded rated product that only weighs 200 pounds in the back of your truck. So first thing you'll notice in here are these galvanized steel tubes. We call them lateral steel tubes. They offer the support that bears the payload of the drawer system, and they're reinforced with all this ribbing. So you get a really strong, lightweight, and very efficient and predictable product, and a product that always performs for you. So we use all recycled high-density polyethylene, and that's why it's black. You take all the colors and mix them together, that's the color you get. We add some black carbon, so it's a consistent, color black, but that's why it's that color. It's in the back of your truck, and black is cool. All the steel and aluminum that's in the product as well is also recycled, which is super cool. It does not affect the integrity or the performance of the product. HDPE is a resin that's designed, it was engineered to be buried in the ground, to live out in the sun. If you've got a sprinkler box in your yard, that's made from HDPE. It is a cockroach of plastics. Nothing will stick to it. You can pour corrosive chemicals on it, lubricants and all that kind of thing, and it will not affect the material in any way. It's important to note that all the steel components in our product are treated with automotive grade anti-corrosion inhibitors, so galvanized, stainless, geomet, E-coat. We take our cues from them, and that keeps things from rusting. Obviously, if you live on the Gulf Coast or in Minnesota, everything rusts eventually, but the way our product's designed, it will not affect the performance of the product, and you probably won't see much rust over the life of the product. And that's just a high-level view of the engineering that goes into the product we make. It is a drawer system, so let's talk drawers. Drawers, everybody loves drawers. They're in your bedroom, your garage, and your kitchen. Now they're in the back of your truck. They're actually pretty practical and handy. So you get one full bed length drawer in the Midsize product, and the drawer itself rolls on wheels. You'll notice in the corners on each side in the front, there are 2 wheels. And there are 2 wheels at the cab side of the drawer. And as you pull the drawer out, those wheels on the back come closer to you. So you've noticed, and it is a true fact, our drawers do not come out all the way. The reason they don't come out all the way is because we do use wheels and we don't use slides. Slides in the back of your truck suck. They might be fine in your kitchen on that drawer, but where it's getting beat up, it's getting driven around, it's out in the environment. Slides get sticky, they bend and they bind and they're unpredictable. Wheels will always work. So no matter what happens to your drawer, you're never gonna bend a slide. It's never gonna stop working for you. And we've actually made some improvements. The drawers now come out further than they ever have in the past. They come out 8 inches more in a 6-foot bed and 3 inches further in a 5-foot bed. So you can easily grab anything in the back of the drawer. I'm touching the back of the drawer right there. And it's just a way for us to guarantee consistent, reliable product performance over the life of the vehicle. One other cool thing we've been able to incorporate into the drawer is a detent drawer stop. So you'll notice when I pull it all the way out, it locks into place, and just pushing on it, it will not close. So if you're parked somewhere on a hill and you're trying to get things out of the back of your truck, out of your drawer, nothing's more annoying than that drawer wanting to roll closed and smash your fingers. And then to close the drawer, you just lift up a little bit and it slides right closed. So that's the detent drawer stop. It's just a little thing, but sometimes those little things make a big difference. So our mission here at DECKED for your midsize truck is to waste as little space as possible in the back of your truck and make this product really efficient and give you maximum storage capacity in your bed. We've done another thing for you. On the sides, you'll notice there are actually these pass-throughs. We have something called stash bins. And the stash bins are accessed from the top. And when you buy this product, you're gonna get these little bins that drop in here, like this. You can use them or you can put them in the shop for holding spare nails and screws, but what you'll get if you don't use them is this huge space here on the side, on either side, and that's a perfect space for camp chairs, dry bags, or anything else that you don't have room in your drawers or you don't need in your cab. The stash bin themselves are waterproof. They're covered with a lid like this that snaps into the top of the deck. And then they also have a option for a lock core, so you can put a keyed lock in here. We sell those on our website. And if you want to put something in these bins that you don't want someone to steal, like all your crushed up beer cans, you can get a lock for that. Put the stash bin lid down, lock it in place, and people can't access what's inside of these bins from the outside. The other cool feature about having this free access space on both sides, not only does it not waste space, so now you have a big drawer, you have unfettered access all the way across the wheel well, in some vehicles, to the cab of the truck. But if you have a vehicle with OE electrical outlets, sometimes they're here, sometimes they're over there. Now you have easy access to those outlets anytime you need them, and there's nothing in your way. The DECKED drawer system is custom fit for every truck out there. We do this by milling the sides of the deck panels to the contour of your truck bed. You'll notice there's a little gap on either side, usually about 1/4 of an inch. Otherwise, it fits perfectly in the back of your truck. It's a really nice professional looking finish, as well as prevents things like, can of spray paint or something like that from rolling off the side and getting lost underneath the side of your drawer system. When you're putting a drawer system in the back of your truck, a couple of things you need to know. If you have a drop-in bed liner, you're gonna need to get rid of that thing. The good news is you won't need it anymore because the drawer system will prevent your truck bed from getting scratched and dented. Spray and liners are totally cool. A lot of us have spray and liners in our trucks. This will fit great with a spray and bed liner. And if you have a bed rug in the back of your truck, that'll actually work too. What you might experience at the beginning is the front wheels may rub on that bed rug a little bit and cause it to wear down, but once it gets a nice groove worn in it, you shouldn't have any trouble at all. In most mid-size drawer systems, there is no drilling required. However, that's not always true because a lot of mid-size trucks do not have bed tie downs. We use your bed tie downs to attach the deck system to the back of your truck. You can see here in the corner, in each corner there's a turnbuckle and a bracket that grabs that turnbuckle. That turnbuckle goes down and grabs the tie down that's in the bed of your truck. This makes it really easy to both install, then also remove if you want to take it out of the bed of your truck. Take you about 5–10 minutes to take it out if you want to use your truck for something else. And it stacks in a nice cube in your garage or on the side of the house. Another cool thing that we've added to the drawer system are topside tie downs. Because as I mentioned, we use your bed tie downs to connect the drawer system to the bed of your truck. We do cover the factory tie downs or the tie downs that you installed. You will notice on the top of this drawer system, there are 6 tie down locations, 3 on each side. And these are really cool D-ring tie downs. They mount flush to the panel of the truck of the drawer system. And then you just reach down and grab it and pull it up. Connect your ratchet strap or whatever you have to this tie down. And you can lash things this way, that way, and even side to side. They're super quick, they're really easy to use, and when you're not using them, they just fold down and they're out of the way. It was really important to us at DECKED to make the assembly and installation process as simple as possible. So to put this thing together, you need a 1/2 inch, a 7/16, and a 3/8 inch socket, and a set of Allen keys, a couple hours, and if you can read picture instructions and watch a video, you'll have this thing together in no time. As an added bonus, when you buy this product from us, every single system comes equipped with some free accessories to get you started. Included in your purchase will be one of these. This is the half rack. It's a big storage case, and it's a great way to segment, organize tools, gear, camping stuff, whatever you have. Fits into the drawer, and it's designed to be either stacked in the garage or taken with you. And you'll also get this little guy. This is called the Sixer. The Sixer in the half rack. You can probably do the math on that one. This is a nice little toolbox or gearbox or tackle box. And finally, you get a deco bin. This is a very high quality, simple snap bin lid. It's great for putting your camp gear in there or your grandma's Christmas ornaments in the garage. You'll get one of these for free as well. And so while we're at it, let me just tell you a little bit more about these. We designed these cases to all work together, both in the drawer system and outside of the drawer system. So you'll notice that there's a geometric shape on the top and the bottom, and those shapes correspond with each other, and they stack on top of each other. So you get a stable stack of cases, no matter where you are. They lock together because nothing's more annoying than when your cases are stacked up and you bump them and they all tip over. So whether it's in your garage, storing and organizing all your gear, at your campsite, at the job site, and hunting camp, it's another nice little feature that these cases offer you. So a couple of the things you're gonna notice in the drawer. We've given you some free storage molded into the front of the drawer as a bin that goes side to side and gives you place for your duct tape, your scissors, your knives, your bug spray, whatever you're carrying around in the cab of your truck that doesn't really need to be there. Coincidentally, it's also the perfect form factor for 2 12-packs of 12-ounce cans. And in the drawer, there's a big rubber mat that comes with the system. This covers the aluminum extruded bottom of the drawer because aluminum's pretty slippery. We thought it'd be a good idea if your stuff wasn't sliding around out of control like a pinball machine back there. So we get to use rubber mat. It's sticky and it's grippy, but your stuff will still slide around when you need to pull it out. We make a whole bunch more accessories for you, for your truck and for your garage. We believe that keeping your stuff organized, and so it's easy to get things in and out, and you know where they are at all times, and get the most use out of this product is what we're here for. So check it out on our website. We make locks, we make the traction mat, we make a bunch more cases of different sizes and shapes, just a bunch of stuff that'll help you get more use out of your drawer system. So like everything we make, this drawer system is backed by our lifetime warranty. It's our commitment and promise to you. You're gonna be more than pleased with the product and its performance, and if something doesn't go right, we're here to help. We've never said no to a customer service claim in the history of the company. So you might be wondering, how do I buy this thing? Well, if you've ever bought anything off the internet, you know what to do. You can buy it from us on our website. We'll ship it to your house. And like I mentioned, you can put it together yourself, put it in the back of your truck. If you don't want to deal with that, you can go to a local dealer. Check our dealer locator. It's at the top of our website, and just enter in your address or your zip code, and it'll show you the dealers in your area. You can get in touch with them. They'll order it for you. It'll come to their store, and you drive down there and they can put it in the back of the truck for you. They usually charge you a couple hours of shop time. We're also sold on big e-commerce websites. If you just Google search, you'll find where we're sold. And it's super easy. You're gonna be really happy with the product. That's it for the DECKED 101 on the midsize drawer system. Thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate it. and I hope to make you a customer. If you have any questions, of course, hit us up in the comments of this video. You can send us a DM on social media. You can hit us up on the telephone or the email. We're here to help, answer whatever questions you have, and I look forward to making you a customer. So thanks for tuning in.